Okay, today we're going to review the 2022 Ford Maverick 2.0 liter EcoBoost engine. This has the MRT Street Performance exhaust, which is a little bit more than the axleback, and it's intended to give you a performance sound, but on the mild side of the spectrum, and add a little fun to drive to your Maverick. So to do a quick little driving review, the around town driving, so we're between 1500 and 2000 RPM, very light input on the throttle, and we have just a very subtle whir in the background, being the exhaust noise. It has a good deep note, certainly isn't a high-pitched twangy sound. Lets you know that your vehicle's running, basically. So if we step on it a little bit more, it's running up to about 3000 RPM before it shifts. A little bit more exhaust presence, but not overbearing at all. It's very managed sound, and a nice deep performance sound. Now we'll step it up and get up to speed more quickly. All right, so that's a quick up to 60, and as you're accelerating, the performance sound matches it. It's in the background. It's not the only thing that you're experiencing. You still hear road input and the other things going on around you. So for a daily driver responsible performance sound, that's really what this is designed for, and it's delivering on that mark. Okay, now we're going to evaluate the driving experience at highway speeds, see what the sounds are getting up to highway speed, and then steady state cruising, see what happens to the overall sound and background noise. Alright, so we're cruising at 75, right at 2000 RPM, and I have just a very subtle deep whir in the background, pretty much on par with wind noise and tire noise. Nothing obnoxious or objectionable. Speed it up to 80, and very much the same. Now the only thing I noticed on this system is as it would lug in a little bit higher gear, so if it was under load at 1500 to 2000 RPM, not enough load to pick another gear, but under driving load, we had a little bit of resonance or boom happening in that period. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give it about a 3. It's there, it's not obnoxious, it's not something that I would strive to eliminate. All of the good sounds are definitely good, and they're fun to listen to. So I would rate this system on look at me getting noticed. I'd give it a 7 or 8 out of 10 for performance sound and performance feel. I'd give it about an 8 out of 10. And for the drone or resonance, happens very infrequently. As you're accelerating through 1500 to 2000 RPM, really doesn't have any drone. It's when it kind of downshifts into that range and you're under load. Give it about a 3 in in that condition. Otherwise, a very pleasing system. I would say it's a responsible, mature performance sound for the street. Give us a call, we'll send you one.